That hurt. I love to look at that rock. It's pretty cool. I like that vine too. Sorry, there's a bug on my arm. So pretty. And I'm sweating. I hear him yelling for me, trying to figure out where I am. Here the birds are singing. I am hot. My heart's pounding. This trail has been all uphill. When the guy at the last nature preserve told us it was uphill, I believe him. He knows what he's talking about. It's very pretty though. I just love this rock. So pretty here. Okay. Whew. I had to walk up a few more steps so I could get up here to where the trail was. It's very pretty, guys. Well, why my camera's jumping, but it is. I don't know. It's hard to tell. It's probably jumping with the beat of my heart. Okay, here I go up another hill. I know it doesn't do it justice, but let me tell you something. It's a hill. Oh, look, there's a cubby hole. There's something hides in there at night. Alright, here I go. Oh, there's another one. That's even a bigger cubby hole. Okay. Sorry about that. Back to my trail I go. I try to hold my camera with two hands. I don't know why. I can see it fluttering. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. It's hard to tell. I know the grandkids don't play with it because they all got their own phones. Even Jazzy, I gave her my old phone. That way she has something to play on. It's a whole ledge up there, but I'm not tall enough to see up in there. I guess I better catch up. We gotta be out of here before dark. I think it's only like 2.3 miles though. We've been in here for just a little bit. Hopefully this only goes one way. No? Well, yeah, I guess it does. Because that way's a cubby hole. Whoops, sorry about my finger. There's a cubby hole. Woo! Okay. I'm exhausted, guys. Down there's the hill I came up. I'm sure you probably can't. I probably don't do it justice. It's a hill. Okay. Here I go up this hill. If I don't fall, I'm doing good. And if I do, thank God he's not here with his camera. Oh. That's where I'm walking to up there, probably. Wow, it's pretty nice. Okay. Get up there, my bug. Oh boy. Oh, sorry guys, you're not getting a very good view. This old woman. I can figure out where he went now. Okay. Now I'm exhausted. And I'm alone. Oh, guess not. I'm sorry about my phone jumping. I don't know what's wrong with it. It didn't. We were in Colorado too. Sorry, guys. Woo. I'll get this area and I'm going to end it because I'm trying not to put too long videos on. Oh, wow. Looky down there. That's pretty far down, really. We had no idea this place was even here. We went to one the other day that we hadn't been to, and he told us, some guy told us about it. We're going around here for a minute, and I'll show you down. Of course, I better hold on. This is kind of like a little hill. My shoes aren't the best. It's really nice here, though. And there you have it. I may start another video if I see anything to look at. It's really nice up here. Not pretty down there. I don't move too close to the edge because I'm by myself. I had to stop and do something on my heyday farm. Trying to show you guys down there. It's nice. Okay. Now you can figure out which way to go because I wasn't paying a bit of attention because I was busy on my farm. I guess we go this way. That's what it looks like to me. Oh boy. Down we go. It's definitely hot here. I hit a button on my phone. I have no idea what it was, so hopefully it didn't hurt us any. I am sweating profusely. Well, I'm not going on a date tonight. Or something stays down in there. Woo! Looky down there, guys. Woo-hoo. That's way down there. Bring it up. It's a nice area. Let's see if I can get him moving. Watch when I'm walking, I can see me walking off the edge. Oh well. Looky all the way down there. It's pretty though. something up there knocking on that tree. I wonder if it's a squirrel or a woodpecker, or neither. Of course, I can't hear nothing now because his feet are tromping. There it goes again. I had to turn off because it's coming up those stupid leaves again. Right, break his foot. Now I don't hear it again. Oh well, on I go.